Attention, aviation enthusiasts. Prepare for an adrenaline-fueled flight into the world of unparalleled power and precision. Welcome to the cockpit of the legendary F-15 Eagle, the apex predator of the skies. Join our squadron of knowledge seekers as we unlock the secrets behind this engineering marvel. From supersonic speeds to awe-inspiring maneuvers, we'll explore the extraordinary capabilities that make the F-15 a true icon of air superiority. To ensure you never miss a heart-pounding moment, hit that subscribe button, unleash the power of the like, and ring the notification bell. Be ready for exclusive content, jaw-dropping flybys, and insider insights that will leave you in awe. The F-15 Eagle, an iconic symbol of American air superiority, boasts a rich and illustrious history that spans several decades. Developed by McDonnell Douglas, the F-15 has proven its prowess as a dominant fighter jet since its first flight on July 27, 1972. Let's delve into the complete history of this remarkable aircraft. The origins of the F-15 can be traced back to the 1960s, when the United States Air Force (USAF) sought to replace its aging fleet of air superiority fighters. The goal was to create a highly maneuverable and capable aircraft that could outperform any potential adversary in air-to-air combat. Under the leadership of renowned aerospace engineer Harry Hilliker, McDonnell Douglas designed the F-15 with a focus on maneuverability, speed, and advanced weaponry. The aircraft featured a twin-engine configuration, a streamlined airframe, and an innovative wing design, which provided exceptional performance and agility. The F-15 introduced numerous cutting-edge features, including advanced avionics, fly-by-wire flight controls, and a powerful radar system. Its robust Pratt & Whitney engines, coupled with a low-drag airframe, enabled the F-15 to achieve remarkable speeds and climb rates, giving it a significant advantage in combat scenarios. The F-15 entered operational service with the USAF in 1976 and quickly gained a reputation as the world's premier air superiority fighter. It showcased its exceptional capabilities during the Gulf War in the 1990s, where it dominated the skies and achieved a stunning air-to-air combat record of 104 victories and 0 losses. Over the years, the F-15 has evolved through various variants and upgrades to maintain its superiority. The two primary variants are the single-seat F-15C and the two-seat F-15D. Additionally, specialized versions like the F-15E Strike Eagle were developed, designed for both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. Beyond the USAF, the F-15 has been exported to several allied nations, including Japan, Israel, Saudi Arabia, and South Korea. Its exceptional performance and reputation have made it a sought-after fighter jet across the globe. To stay at the forefront of technology, the F-15 has undergone multiple modernization programs. These upgrades include enhanced avionics, improved radar systems, and increased weapons payload capacity, ensuring its relevance in an ever-changing battlefield. The F-15's legacy as an air superiority fighter is unparalleled. Its unmatched combat record, combined with its technological advancements, has solidified its place in aviation history. Even as fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II enter service, the F-15 remains a formidable force, and its longevity is a testament to its exceptional design. The F-15 Eagle stands as an enduring symbol of excellence in aerial combat. Its remarkable history is defined by unmatched performance, continuous upgrades, and a legacy of dominance in the skies. The design of the F-15 Eagle, one of the most successful and iconic fighter jets in history, showcases a remarkable blend of aerodynamic efficiency, advanced avionics, and superior performance. Let's explore the key elements of its design in detail. The F-15 features a streamlined airframe with a fuselage length of approximately 64 feet. It is built primarily from aluminum alloy, which provides a balance between strength and weight. The airframe incorporates a large internal fuel capacity, allowing for extended range and mission endurance. The F-15 has a high-mounted, moderately swept wing design. The wings have a span of around 42.8 feet and employ a leading-edge sweep of 45 degrees. This configuration enables the aircraft to achieve high maneuverability, especially at supersonic speeds, while also enhancing its lift and stability characteristics. The F-15 boasts exceptional speed and maneuverability, allowing it to outpace and outmaneuver adversaries. With its twin Pratt & Whitney F-100 afterburning turbofan engines generating around 25,000 pounds of thrust each, the F-15 can reach speeds of Mach 2.5 or more. Its high thrust-to-weight ratio enables rapid acceleration and swift climb rates, providing an advantage in both offensive and defensive maneuvers. The cockpit of the F-15 is designed to optimize pilot situational awareness and operational effectiveness. It features a single-seat configuration, offering the pilot an unobstructed forward view. The canopy is made of durable materials and provides excellent visibility while withstanding extreme aerodynamic forces. The F-15 incorporates advanced avionics and flight control systems to enhance its operational capabilities. The aircraft employs a fly-by-wire flight control system, where pilot inputs are interpreted by computers that adjust control surfaces accordingly. This system improves flight stability, control response, and maneuverability. The primary role of the F-15 is air-to-air combat, and it excels in this arena. Equipped with a powerful radar system, such as the APG-63 or an APG-63V3, the F-15 can detect, track, and engage multiple targets simultaneously. It can launch a variety of air-to-air missiles, including short-range heat-seeking AIM-9 Sidewinders and long-range radar-guided AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles. The F-15's advanced avionics and flight controls enable it to execute high-G maneuvers, giving it a tactical advantage in dogfights. The F-15 is capable of reaching supersonic speeds without afterburner, a feature known as supercruise. This allows the aircraft to sustain high speeds efficiently, conserving fuel and extending its operational range. Throughout its service life, the F-15 has undergone several upgrades to maintain its technological edge. These upgrades have included advancements in radar capabilities, avionics, weapons systems, and structural enhancements, ensuring the F-15 remains a formidable platform on the modern battlefield. The design of the F-15 Eagle embodies a balance between aerodynamic efficiency, cutting-edge avionics, and versatile weapon systems. Its streamlined airframe, high-mounted wings, twin-engine configuration, advanced cockpit, and radar capabilities contribute to its exceptional performance as an air superiority fighter. The F-15 possesses an impressive beyond visual range (BVR) engagement capability, thanks to its long-range radar and radar-guided missiles. It can detect and engage targets at significant distances, utilizing its radar to guide missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM. This allows the F-15 to engage enemy aircraft while maintaining a safe standoff distance. Although primarily an air superiority fighter, the F-15 can also perform ground attack and strike missions. The F-15E Strike Eagle variant is specifically designed for this purpose, featuring additional avionics, weapon systems, and payload capacity. It can carry a wide range of air-to-ground ordnance, including precision-guided munitions, bombs, and anti-ship missiles, enabling it to engage ground targets with pinpoint accuracy. The F-15 incorporates electronic warfare capabilities to detect, identify, and counter enemy radar and electronic threats. It is equipped with radar warning receivers (RWR) and electronic countermeasures (ECM) systems, allowing it to detect and jam hostile radar signals, enhancing its survivability in contested airspace. The F-15 is often deployed for rapid interception and quick reaction alert (QRA) duties. Its exceptional speed, climb rates, and response time make it an ideal platform for intercepting and escorting unidentified or hostile aircraft. The F-15's superior performance allows it to quickly reach and engage potential threats. With its large internal fuel capacity and efficient engines, the F-15 boasts impressive range and endurance. It can cover long distances and remain airborne for extended periods, enabling it to operate effectively in various mission profiles, including long-range patrols, air defense, and expeditionary operations. The price of an F-15 Eagle can vary significantly depending on factors such as the variant, specific configuration, additional equipment, and any applicable contract agreements. However, as a point of reference, the unit cost of an F-15C, the single-seat air superiority variant, was reported to be around $30 million in the early 2000s. The more advanced F-15E Strike Eagle, designed for ground attack and strike missions, has a higher price tag due to its additional capabilities and equipment. It's worth mentioning that these figures are rough estimates based on historical data, and the actual price of an F-15 today could vary significantly due to inflation, specific contract negotiations, and other factors. In summary, the F-15 Eagle's capabilities encompass exceptional speed, maneuverability, air-to-air combat prowess, BVR engagement, ground attack capabilities, electronic warfare, interception abilities, and long. Don't miss your chance to be part of the Eagle Squadron. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell to join our elite aviation community. Let your passion soar alongside the mighty F-15 Eagle. But we're not done just yet. Your voice matters, so drop a comment below and let us know your favorite F-15 moment or share your thoughts on this incredible fighter jet. We can't wait to engage with you in the skies of conversation.